Setting the default SMS app to Samsung or Google Messages on the Galaxy S24 allows you to choose your preferred messaging app for sending and receiving text messages. Here's how you do it. First, tap the Home button to return to your home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the Quick Settings panel, then tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Choose Default Apps. Scroll down and select SMS app. You'll see a list of available messaging apps. You can choose Google Messages, indicated by this icon, or Samsung Messages, shown here. Once you've made your selection, tap the back button or the home button to return to the home screen. Alternatively, you can just open the new SMS app you want to use and it will prompt you whether to assign it as your default or choose from the list of available apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.